Count Checkbox in Excel. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Excel on your desktop to begin the process. Once the program is fully loaded, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open your previous project file. After the file browser appears, locate and select your previous project from the folder where it is saved. Then open it and wait for the worksheet to load completely. Next, right-click on the checkbox that you want to connect to a cell. From the menu that appears, tap on the Format Control option to open the settings window. Make sure you are in the Control section before continuing to the next step. After that, click on the Cell Links box so you can choose the cell that will display the checkbox result. Then choose the cell you want to use by selecting it directly from the worksheet. Once the correct cell has been selected, press OK to continue and save the settings. After that, check and uncheck the box first to make sure the linked cell changes between true and false correctly. Next, go to the Total section cell where you want to count the check boxes. In that cell, type the COUNTIF formula carefully so it can calculate the number of check boxes automatically. Then drag and block with your mouse the area that contains the true or false results linked to the checkboxes. Set the formula criteria to true so Excel only counts the checked boxes. Once the formula is complete, press Enter to apply it to the worksheet. Finally, test it out by clicking on the checkbox several times and watching the Total section update automatically. This process helps you create a more organized Excel project by tracking selected checkboxes efficiently. Practicing these steps regularly will help you understand how checkbox linking and formulas work together in Excel for better data management and easier project organization in the future. You can also repeat the same setup for checkboxes if your worksheet contains tasks or options. Always save your project after making changes so your progress is protected and your formulas continue working whenever you reopen the file.